Do you need a front screen for your older GoPro just like Hero 9 Black? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, you need a smartphone with a silicone case. Number 2, the suction cup mount. And number 3, the extension bolts. First of all, you need to clean the silicone case, this one, and we are basically gonna mount this suction cup in the back side of the phone. So first of all, clean this one and then attach it to your mobile like this, and then we will mount this suction cup in the back side of the phone like this. And then we'll mount our photo on this GoPro Hero 7.